Hi, this is a reading for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. I've already shuffled the cards, Cancer. Let's see what the overall energy is. The overall energy is money, okay? 10 of Pentacles. So we have money coming out for you. You're being guarded against anyone coming in towards you, which is a good thing. You're moving in silence, Cancer, and you're using your intuition. There's an earth sign coming towards you with a small offer. This earth sign is either trapped or wants you to be trapped towards them. They were breadcrumbing you. You also have a fire sign that wants justice with you. There's going to be a lot of secrets coming out about an air sign that probably was involved with the fire sign, right? All right, so let's shuffle again one time and see what the reading holds for Cancer. All right, Cancer. There's an opportunity coming towards you. You're not talking to an earth sign. You're in hermit mode. And you're trying to move to a higher level. Either a higher level in your job or a higher level in commitment. You're looking towards your future and you're looking at your past. Right? You're not saving any money, which you do need to save, right? You're not being guarded anymore, but things are not going in your favor either. You're not holding on to your money. You might be spending too much. So watch your spending. Watch your spending. This is for the Cancer. Watch your spending, Cancer. Yeah, watch your spending because your stability. Watch your spending because of your stability. Watch your spending so you do not end up in a tower moment. You will miss a tower moment if you watch your spending. So that means that there's something that's going to throw you off, a bill or something that will throw you off. So just watch your spending. Communications is coming in for you. You feel that things aren't moving forward fast enough for you, but they are. They're going to start moving really quick for you. You feel that it's not moving fast enough. You're guarded, and you're not happy about what's going on. But that all will change. Yeah, that all will change. And the reason why that will change, there's a water sign that's receiving money. Things are going to move fast forward for them. That will be you, Cancer, the water sign. You're going to receive money and things will start moving fast forward for you. All right, so you feel like you're not getting your wish fulfillment. There's a fire sign that's doing the most. You're probably out there partying, smoking, drinking, and fooling around. They could even have an addiction. They will not get victory. There's a water sign that's you're probably not talking to this fire sign, but yet you're not moving away from them. You're not talking to them, but you're still right up under them. have a card that fell on the floor, Cancer. Yeah, there's an earth sign also that probably over drinking and doing the most, but you might not be talking to that earth sign either. You want your Ace of Cups, total emotional fulfillment. This is you, Cancer. You're not feeling left out in the cold, but you do need to balance your energy. You really do. You need to balance out your energy. Ground yourself. Walk barefoot in grass. Hug a tree. Do some gardening. Do something to ground you to Mother Earth. Alright, I'm going to move on to the Lenormand deck. And let's see what I get for Cancer. Cancer. Someone's trying to block you. They want to block your stability, this person. There's someone trying to block your stability. You're going to get a good Tower moment when that money comes in, right? People are going to be talking trash. You need to keep it to yourself. There's a person that doesn't want to burn any bridges, but they think about you all the time. There is a person that has children, baby mother, baby father, doesn't have to be yours. Could be, they could have just have kids, right? They could be becoming a star or receiving a wish fulfillment, this person. Yeah, they're going to receive a wish fulfillment, abundance, money, lots of money. This is for Cancer. This person has kids, children. Somehow you're feeling trapped, Cancer. You're feeling trapped in a situation. You're feeling trapped in a commitment. There's a commitment that you're in, but you're feeling kind of trapped in it. I wonder why. It's saying because you weren't seeing things for what they were. You weren't seeing things clearly. Now you're seeing things for what they are. You weren't seeing things clearly before, but now you can see it. And there's a lot of gossip about it. Everything happens in divine timing, so that's the way it was supposed to work. Cancer, please hit that like button and drop a heart in the comment for me. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. This person is not loyal to you. They're not loyal at all. They put you on the wrong path. They're a snake, actually. They will see you in pain and give you more pain, right? This is a reading for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Yeah, they're very sneaky too. They're very sneaky. So you will have to be very. You would have to do things like double back. You know, like I'm going out and then come back 30 minutes later and catch them. That's how you're going to catch them. You have to go out, say I'm going somewhere, wherever, and claim that you're going to be there for hours or whatever, and then in an hour just double back, and you will catch them in something. I don't know what it is you're going to catch them in, but yeah. And then you start seeing things for what it is. You'll come into the knowledge, and you'll see things for what they truly are, right? This is for Cancer. Someone's trying to put the wool over your eyes, Cancer. Once you see things for what they are, you're going to end it with them. You're going to end it because now you can't unsee what you saw, right? But you're going to come into knowledge and you'll know better now. So, this is a reading for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Cancer, I hope you enjoyed this reading and thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that like button, drop a heart in the comment, and if you have not subscribed, please do so now. Thank you.